to show you how to make a budget-friendly gift for Raksha Bandhan. If you guys like my videos, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe guys. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. First, I'm taking a white chart with a given measurement and then I'm going to fold it in a zigzag. I printed 4 photos and 2 quotes to stick. As so many guys already asked me which paper I'm using to print, I'm using a glossy paper for photo printing, and also I'm adding a material list and Amazon links for the product in description. I'm sticking the photos using a glue. I printed this pattern paper. I will leave the pattern paper link in description. Mark it 1.5 and 7.5 on all the sides. Now join the points. Now I'm going to score the lines using a scoring tool. You can also use a compass for scoring. Cut the edges on all sides as shown. Fold as shown. Now I'm going to stick all the edges. I'm going to stick Raksha Bandhan sticker in the top. I made another one. Now I'm going to stick the zigzag card in a box. I will leave the pattern paper and codes link in description. Your pop-up box is ready. I hope you guys like